Your question is, in giving representation to talent, experience, and service in the composition of the Council of States, the Constitution makers of India were influenced by the example of. Your options are A. Irish Republic, B. Canada, C. USA, or D. Australia. Right answer is A. Irish Republic. Your question is, the Federal Court of India was established in which of the following year? Your options are A. 1935, B. 1937, C. 1946, or D. 1947. Right answer is B. 1937. Your question is, no person shall be prosecuted and punished for the same offence more than once. Under which article the above preservation of conviction for crime is given? Your options are A. Article 19, B. Article 20, C. Article 21, or D. Article 22. Right answer is B. Article 20. Your question is, Panchayati Raj system in India is laid down under. Your options are A. Fundamental rights, B. Fundamental duties, C. Directive principles of state policy, or D. Election Commission Act. Right answer is C. Directive principles of state policy. Your question is, who among the following can participate in the proceedings of both the houses of parliament? Your options are A. Vice President, B. Solicitor General, C. Chief Justice, or D. Attorney General. Right answer is D. Attorney General. Your question is, after Uttar Pradesh, the highest number of Lok Sabha seats have been allotted to. Your options are A. Andhra Pradesh, B. Bihar, C. Maharashtra, or D. West Bengal. Right answer is C. Maharashtra. Your question is, the members of Council of States are elected by. Your options are A. Members of Legislative Assembly of States, B. Members of Legislative Council of States, C. Members of both Legislative Assembly and Council, or D. Members of municipalities and Gram Panchayat. Right answer is A. Members of Legislative Assembly of States. Your question is, regarding money bill, which of the following statements is not correct? Your options are A. A bill shall be deemed to be a money bill if it contains only provisions relating to imposition, abolition, remission, alteration, or regulation of any tax. B. A money bill has provisions for the custody of the Consolidated Fund of India or the Contingency Fund of India. C. A money bill is considered with the appropriation of monies out of the Contingency Fund of India. Or D. A money bill deals with the regulation of borrowing of money or giving of any guarantee by the Government of India. Right answer is C. A money bill is concerned with the appropriation of monies out of the Contingency Fund of India. Your question is, within how many days an appeal can be made by an aggrieved person by decision of the National Green Tribunal to the Supreme Court? Your options are A. 30 days, B. 45 days, C. 60 days, or D. 90 days. Right answer is D. 90 days. Your question is, which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Your options are A. Hindu Marriage Act 1955, B. Hindu Succession Act 1956, C. 73rd Constitutional Amendment, reservation of seats for women in the election of local bodies in urban areas, or D. Sati Prevention Act 1987. Right answer is C. 73rd Constitutional Amendment, reservation of seats for women in the election of local bodies in urban areas.